gorgeously, incredibly beautiful this whole scene is. Aaron, let's walk up here, come on.
It seems like the wind's blowing even though there's a wall right there. The water just creates so much force.
I know.
So much mist. All the trees growing here must be really, really, really healthy.
You can see what? Where? Point. Pretty amazing. Oh man, it's nice to take a rest. Boy, this place is incredible.
That was a nice hike. 1 mile there and 1 mile back. 2 miles.
Yeah, it was a
Plus
beautiful
30 minutes.
hike.
Sitting and watching the waterfall, which was really fun. You wouldn't expect sitting and watching a waterfall to be that fun.
Tell the people about it.
The waterfall?
Yeah.
It's just weird that it's actually fun to sit and watch a waterfall for half an hour.
I know. The designs it makes are just incredible. And the mist,
Yeah, and if you look at the top, it's slow when it comes down, but then it gets faster and faster and faster and faster.
And what about the wind? By the time it gets to the bottom, it like makes a 30-mile-an-hour wind.
Yeah, and you can tell that isn't actually the actual wind because the wind's blowing from just a wall of rock.
It's incredible.
So it must be the waterfall doing it.
I know, in the mist. Like you said, those trees must be incredibly happy to be there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was beautiful. It was incredibly beautiful. This whole place is amazing. Rocks, mountains, cliffs, horse barns, even people. What do you think? You think we should climb that thing over there?
Well, I think we should go around it the safe way, but I don't think we should climb the pack side.
Oh, I don't know. I think we could be back by dinner if we just went straight up.
Yeah.
No?
And we need a hang glider.
Good idea. Let's go get a hang glider.
We could hang glide the way down. Or if there's a stream, we could raft all the way down.
Good thinking.
The one that we have at home that you found?
Yeah. Is there obsidian in the valley here?
You'll find obsidian remnants in the valley, but the only obsidian originally comes from Mona Lake around here.
Yeah.
The only obsidian that I've ever found just lying around on the ground is from a campsite. It's from a camp that people were chipping obsidian into arrows. That it was just like a little it was just like this little Miwok thing where they taught people how to do stuff like when they walked it. And that's the only time I found obsidian laying around on the ground.
Well, you know how I keep talking about going over Tioga Pass and over to Mammoth?
Yeah.
When we do that, I'll take you to, there's a mountain over there that is just one side of it. It's just obsidian and it's just amazing.
I wonder if they ever actually got hurt making like axe heads or anything, because maybe the chips flew to their eyes.
Sure. It doesn't happen all the time, but it does happen occasionally.
Do the locals use obsidian as pawn?
Yeah, they traded with the Mona Lake Paiutes to get the obsidian.
The Miwok actually didn't have the obsidian around it, they couldn't trade it.
Hmm.
And then they use the obsidian to trade out to the coast for the clamshells.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I was talking about the coastal rock. Yeah, and they're clamshells. One time I tried making them with one of the same drill tools that they have. It's really hard. I do not get how they actually get a hole right through a shell that small. It's really hard to
Very carefully. Because you only drill from one side. When you drill shells with a traditional drill, you have to drill from both sides.
I've done it with one of those pump
But
drills.
you have to do it from both sides of the shell.
Otherwise the shell will break.
Otherwise, as the drill bit goes further and further, it gets wider and wider, it gets more pressure on it. So that's why you go from both sides.
We can experiment with that, and you'll see. Pretty incredible, huh?
Now I finally stopped thinking granite is amazing.
There's so much of it around, huh?
No, yeah, you stand there and put your foot over. Oh, yeah, that's over here.